Hey guys, haven't heard that in a while. Remember my friend Shade? So last October, which is like 11 months ago, me and him, we started this project to make our own 3D printer. And by making our own, I don't mean like downloading a specification and building a printer following the specification. I mean like completely inventing our own printer. The reason why we decided to invent our own design was that the initial frame was done by some aluminum profiles that I found at work, and therefore we just couldn't use any ready like instruction or manual. So we started ordering parts and fitting everything together, and then we stuck it at a place where we had to 3D print two parts, and we've been putting that off from March, I think, so it's like 6 months. And I want to motivate him to finally do that. That's why today's vlog is going to showcase the tremendous amount of professionalism and craftsmanship that we employ when we build our 3D printer. Enjoy! Bought this really expensive wood sewing thing. It's
10
called
euro, 10 euro.
Stichsäge. It was 12 euro. So off to try it.
Okay,
yes,
now we're opening this shit. Excuse me, this magnificent piece of technology. Ooh. Smells like shit. Like a magnificent piece of technology. Oops. Alright, I guess this is everything. Oh, okay. Here's the knife. Okay. Let's see if this even works. Dry run. Woo! Nice. Smells a little bit like burnt, but I guess it will do. Alright, now let's do this delicate operation.
So we were just cutting those on the balcony. The end piece, which was like yay big, fell down from the third, fourth floor, and it almost hit this old lady on the head.
But it didn't.
So we did the responsible thing and just ducked down so she won't see us. But yeah, it all worked out great.
These were supposed to be like, they're pretty much all the same, right?
Okay, that was it. How fun it was doing this. Hit the like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed already. If you really wanna get into the vlog, hit the bell button so you're gonna receive notifications every time I post a new video, which till the end of this month will be on a daily basis. Yep, thank you for your time and see you tomorrow.